Medyo exhausted na tayo ngayon, medyo pagod na pagod tayo kasi galing tayo sa biyahe. Tapos super excited ako kanina, super saya ako talaga dahil nakasama ko yung daughter ko, who I haven't seen for 22 years. Very exciting. I was very loved. I was very happy to see my apo. So earlier kanina, punta naman namin yung husband niya, partner niya. I'm sa isang institution, so nakita ko naman their family was good. I spoke with her partner and gave him some tips about life, about how I used to struggle also with things, and